This is how to buy crypto on Bybit using Bybit P2P option. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to buy any crypto like USDT, Bitcoin using Nigerian Naira on Bybit app. You can see my balance. Don't forget to sign up to Bybit. Ask Jofa is my sign up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign up bonus and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. To buy crypto on Bybit, that implies you want to add deposit. You can get started by clicking deposit. You can see P2P trading. As at the time of this video, there's no charges to do that. Another way to do that is when you close this, you can also click more. Look at it. It is still here. P2P trading. So this is Bybit P2P trading option where you can buy any crypto like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum using the currency in your country. To get started, you can see P2P is highlighted. You make sure that buy is highlighted too because you want to buy crypto and you will select what you want to buy here. I want to buy USDT. That is why USDT is selected. But if what you want to buy is not selected, you click this arrow. You can see as at the time of this video, you can only buy USDT, USDC, which is also a stable coin, Bitcoin or Ethereum using Nigerian Naira. That is as at the time of this video, but I want to buy USDT. You select USDT. Another thing you have to set up before making your purchase on Bybit P2P option is to select the currency you want to use to buy. In this case, I want to buy with Nigerian Naira. If you are from another country, you select this arrow. You tap it. You can see all the currency in the world. They are listed here. You just tap here. For instance, if I want to buy with US dollar, you just tap USD. You can see, you just tap it. But I want to buy with Nigerian Naira, NGN. I will cancel this since I'm buying with Nigerian Naira. By default, the currency in your country will be highlighted here. The next thing you need to set up is the amount you want to buy in the currency in your country and your payment method. You first of all set the amount. You know the amount in your currency you want to buy. You tap amount. You just type the amount in the currency in your country that you want to buy. Then you click confirm. Another thing you have to set up is the payment method. You click this place to select the payment method you want to use to credit the person that will do business with you, which is called peer. So you select all payment method. Before you get to this place, you will need to add your bank account payment method. That is the bank account that will be debited when you buy crypto on Bybit, or when you sell crypto, the bank account that will be credited. You can add more than one payment methods. For you to know how to add your bank account and payment methods on Bybit, watch this video. This video will walk you through step by step of how to do that. It is very fast and straightforward. In this place, you see the different list of banks in your country and different payment options that you can use to make payment in your country. In this case, in Nigeria, you have different banks listed there. So you select the bank that you are using. With the choice of the amount you want to buy, your payment method, that will bring out the peer. That is the people that you can do transaction with on Bybit. The next important thing that you need to look out for is individual with great reputation that you can buy the crypto from on Bybit. The strong indication is the number of orders. Look at it. This person has done over 2,800 orders with 99% completion rate. This person has done 2,780 something orders with 96% completion rate. So you check the number of orders they've done and the completion rate. The next thing you need to consider is the rate that they are selling the currency in your country. Like as at the time of this video, these are the rate that these people want to sell to me. You can see this rate is 1,560 for every USDT that this person is selling, while this person is dropping the rate. So the lower the rate, the better for you. But that is not all. You have to do transaction with people that are online. If somebody is not online and you select the person, it's going to waste your time. So how do you know people that are online or not? Look at this. This color here is gray, while this one is green. This indicates that this person is online. And look at the rate is offering to do transaction for. So you want to sell at a higher rate. It's online, but all these other people, they are not online. So as at the time of this video, the only option I have is to go with this person. So he has a good completion rate, 99%, and he has done over 8,266 others. So you click buy. This is where you select the amount with fiat, that is in the currency in your country. In my case, in Nigeria currency, I will select the amount I want to buy. After selection of the amount you want to buy, before you click buy, look at the advertiser term and condition. If you understand what the person wants, you just click buy. So you can see this is the amount in the currency in your country, in this case in Nigeria. This is rate, this is the USDT I will get. The transaction fee is 0 and this is the order date. So for you to make payment, this is the name of the person you are going to make payment to. So for you to pay, you click pay now. You will see the amount you are going to pay, the name of the person that you are going to pay, the account you are going to pay into. So you make payment to this account. Ensure you quickly click payment completed. As soon as you make payment, you click payment completed. You tap here. So you also confirm that you've paid using your legal account that bear your name. So you click confirm. So you have paid. You can also contact seller if there's any requirement to do that. If the seller needs your receipt for evidence, you tap here to pick receipt from your phone that you can download by saving on your photo. You just pick from here. You can see this person wants my receipt. I just sent receipt to the person for his or her record. All you need to do now is to wait for this person to release the funds in USDT to your account on Bybit. And when that is done, you will see a alert in your email and it will be shown here too that the USDT has been released. You can see completed. The amount I bought has been released and credited to my account. You can see my account on Bybit has been credited. For you to know the exact asset that is credited, you come to asset, you click asset. The account that is credited is funding account. The asset, you click asset. You can see this is the asset that is credited, USDT. So you can now buy crypto like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum using Bybit P2P option, using the currency in your country. In this case, I use Nigeria Naira on Bybit app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.